Well, good afternoon. I'm Rick Pryor. I'm here at the Nokia Innovation Centre, manning our E-band poll. And on this poll, we wanted to feature this afternoon one model in particular, which we've recently launched. I have one up here and also one in my hand. It's a favourite travelling companion of mine because of its incredible compactness. We already have enthusiastic responses from customers. It's a full E-band capable system operating at 80 gigs with a channel spacing of up to 2 gigs or 2000 megs. Obviously, it also has a capability of up to 10 gigs throughput, so very suitable for urban applications, which is why we've called it the UBT-m Urban. Thanks for your time.